Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nokia C21 Plus, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can scan the document with your device and onwards turn it into a PDF file. So first of all, you gotta launch the Google Drive application. If you do not have it, you can pretty easily get it for free from the Play Store. Then go for the file section, tap on this plus sign over here, choose scan option. Grant Google Drive the camera permission. They make sure to very carefully lay your document and make it flat as well if you can, of course. And after that, just align it and make it straight in the shot to the best of your ability, of course. Then tap on this shutter button. As you can see, here is the result that we've gotten. You can retry if you're not satisfied with it, or just go further by tapping on the OK option. Let me name my phone real quick. Here you can crop the document if you want to align it. As you can see, it allows you to align it with curved lines, which is a very cool opportunity to have, if you'd ask me. So make it straight to the best of your abilities. I do not have the straightest hands, to be honest with you, so as you can see, I'm not able to do it exactly pretty, but whatever, I guess. I'll just leave it like that. Let's pretend that yeah, alright, that's seems too bad. I'll actually just go ahead and retake the image, retake the photo. So we'll proceed further. Crop it to the best of our abilities. Make it as straight as humanly possible, or until you will be satisfied with the result, at least. I'll leave it at, let's say, this state, whatever. Tap on done. And after that, once you've made all the adjustments and you're ready to save the file, first of all, let it load itself. Please do not tell me that you've lagged and will shortly shut down, please. Alrighty. Yeah, this phone is so bad, it's such a low performance model that it cannot handle a freaking Google Drive. Okay, whatever, I will repeat it once again. So that's the problems or issues that you might face with it. So be ready. I'll retake the photo. Then proceed by tapping on the OK option. I do not care if it is not cropped correctly. At this point, I just want to show how you can save it as PDF. So in here, tap on the save option, choose the path for it, rename if you would like to, and then save. And the document gets successfully saved to your Google Drive. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.